Greetings everyone, this is Danny from HarTravel.com, your Oceania Suite experts, and today I have the great pleasure of being on board the beautiful Oceania Riviera. This incredible suite is one of the Vista Suites here on board. They're forward facing with an enormous amount of space in the suite, outside on the veranda, and of course all of those incredible butler level amenities. Now I'm going to take you through the suite in just a moment, but keep in mind when you're ready to book this beautiful suite or any room or suite with Regent, Oceania, or Norwegian Cruise Lines, make sure you reach out to the experts at Hard Travel. We know the spaces inside and out and have an incredible relationship with the cruise lines, and we know we can help craft your cruise vacation of a lifetime for you, your friends, family, or group at an incredible value, and get the Hard Travel signature service every step of the way. Now, Oceania is known for exploring the world and of course the incredible culinary offerings here on board. Their tagline is the finest cuisine at sea, and they deliver time and time again. That partnership of Jacques Pepin shines through, whether you're in one of the amazing specialty restaurants that are included, or of course the main dining room, or dining right here in your suite. Now, due to the fact that you're in one of the top suites, you're gonna have that amazing butler experience as well. They're here to pack and unpack for you, draw a bubble bath, take care of all of your reservations. They can even serve your meals course by course right here in your suite. You'll have so many more inclusions in addition to that. Now we'll tour the space here in just a moment, but keep in mind your Hard Travel advisor can take care of all of those options for you as well. Now let's tour this beautiful suite. Now when you walk in the door, you've got a marble entryway, a floor to ceiling mirror to get ready, and then just to the side, you'll find the first bathroom. Now it is a full bath. You've got a shower tucked just behind with a rainfall shower head. You're also gonna find that you have a nice large vanity, and you'll see the first glimpse of those highly upgraded Bulgari bath amenities. Now this suite is wonderful if you're hosting friends and family on board, or of course if you just wanna spread out. So this is that wonderful spot where somebody can utilize this without heading into your space, or just having the redundancy is wonderful. Now you've got your writing desk right here, and then as we continue along, we'll step into the living room. Now you can see it really does open up. You've got your full butler's pantry to the side there. You'll have a wet bar. Now because you're in one of the top suites, you're gonna have a full-size liquor amenity. Generally you'll have 6 bottles, could be more depending on the length of the cruise. You've got your fully stocked mini fridge down below. You'll see your Vero water here with the water bottles. Keep in mind that they'll replenish that as often as you like throughout your stay, still or sparkling. They have the stations around the ship, and of course you can take the water bottles off the ship as you explore one of the incredible destinations that this ship visits. Now you'll also have all your cutlery, stemware, and glassware because as I mentioned, you can dine right here in suite. It's a course-by-course dining experience arranged by your butler. You can dine from the specialty restaurants, whether it's the delicious Jacques or Red Ginger, Toscana or Polo Grill, or the main dining room. All of those options are gonna be delicious, and you can have them right here in your suite. Now, as we head further in, you can really see the residential style setup. You've got a nice large sofa here, coffee table in the middle, of course bubbly on ice awaiting your arrival. You've got 2 comfortable chairs here and a reading chair with ottoman tucked in the corner. Directly across, you'll find the first of the large flat panel TVs. It's fully interactive so you can see what's going on throughout the ship. In addition to watching television, you also have your Bluetooth down below, and the entire suite is wired for surround sound so you can have that elevated experience as well. You'll see some beautiful art and of course the plants. And now as we head into the bedroom space, I did want to point out one of my favorite features. You've got a door here, it shuts completely. So you have that wonderful separation of space. Maybe somebody's sleeping in, taking a nap, or you have friends and family over. You can utilize the living room space separately from the bedroom. Now as we step into the bedroom, I'm first going to take you into the large walk-in closet. Now this ship does some incredible cruises around the world, longer cruises such as their grand voyages, and having a ton of space where you can tuck things away is a huge benefit. You'll have hanging storage across on this side, all the way across here, those extra comfy bathrobes and slippers. You have some complimentary laundry amenities as well. You've got drawers on the far side. You've got more shelves down below here and shelves on the side as well. Your safe is tucked just in the corner, perfect for a laptop, passport, wallet, or a small tablet. Now as we step back into the bedroom, you've got a separate temperature control in each zone, and you'll see your full king-size Tranquility Bed. Some of the absolute best bedding in the entire industry. You'll have highly upgraded pillows, mattress, and linens, and you've got a full pillow menu to choose from. Just another one of those luxuries so that you can have the perfect night's sleep. You've got nightstands on either side with drawers where you can tuck things away, European plug on either side, and also a USB and USB-C charger. Directly across, you'll find a second large flat panel TV, also interactive. You can take advantage of those movies on demand or watch your favorite television channels. Tucked in the corner, you've got a small vanity here. You've got 2 more US plugs and a European plug, and then you've got a large mirror to get ready. And from here, you could take advantage of the forward-facing views. I did want to point out you have surround sound in here as well. Once again, wired for that technology. Now, in addition to the bedroom, you're also going to find a full exercise room in here. You've got 2 styles of exercise equipment. You're also going to find that you have another flat panel TV, so you can utilize that and watch television, more surround sound, and floor to ceiling window. You've got a small vanity here where you can take advantage of the side facing views. And now we're going to head right around the corner into the bathroom. Now, as we step inside, you'll see the beautiful marble decor. You've got an extra large double vanity here, the Bulgari bath amenities, in addition to a full Bulgari gift set that you can take home with you, a backlit magnifying mirror, plug for a razor, and there's plenty of storage underneath with the drawers. You've got some Himalayan sea salts to go with this incredible jacuzzi soaking tub. Keep in mind your butler can draw a bubble bath for you. You can imagine coming back from an incredible excursion, having a soak, a glass of champagne, and then heading out to have one of the delicious restaurants here on board. Tucked around the corner, you're gonna find the water closet. You also have a bidet, something you would expect with a suite of this caliber, side-facing views, and then just inside here, you're gonna have your marble shower. You've got a rainfall shower head up above. You'll also have the adjustable shower wand and more of those Bulgari amenities. Now we've stepped out to your side and forward-facing veranda. You've got a full dining room table out here. Once again, it's that perfect place where you can take advantage of the course-by-course dining arranged by your butler, or it's a wonderful spot for a nice cup of coffee or tea in the morning, maybe a cocktail or glass of wine in the evening, as you take advantage of the beautiful ocean views with that same view as the captain. Now, as we continue along in your large veranda, you're gonna find 2 comfy lounge chairs here with a cocktail table in between. And then right around the corner, you're also gonna have a side-facing veranda as well. You've got 2 more comfy lounge-style chairs. You also have a soaking tub in the corner. You can imagine sitting in there or out here as you tour one of the beautiful scenic parts of the world that this incredible vessel visits. Now, keep in mind, we have the other rooms and suites on our channel in addition to the full ship tour. And when you're ready to book this beautiful Vista Suite or any room or suite with Oceania, Regent, or Norwegian, make sure you reach out to the experts at Har Travel. We know the spaces inside and out and have an incredible relationship with the cruise line. And we know we can help craft your cruise vacation of a lifetime for you, your friends, family, or group at an incredible value, and get the Har Travel signature service every step of the way.